Hello everyone, this is Sunny Sundays, guiding you today on how to make alfajores, and at the same time, hoping that you can learn some Spanish as you do it. Now let's get started. So first things first, this is Starbucks, and she says that you should preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're gonna start by adding half cup flour into a bowl. Now add 1 3/4 cups of cornstarch into the mixture. Add half teaspoon baking powder into the bowl. Now separate 4 egg yolks, making sure that no shells go into the mixture. Going back to the bowl of dry ingredients, add lemon zest to taste. Now fold the sugar into the yolks. Get your 1 cup of butter out of the fridge and get ready to chop it. Cut the butter stick into cubes and add it into the mixture. Now thoroughly mix the yolks, sugar, and butter into a consistent mixture. Now, as you can probably tell, it is hard to mix the ingredients just with a fork. So if you do have a pastry blender, feel free to use it. Fold the liquid mixture into the dry ingredients, making sure that both of them are getting incorporated into the dough. Then, you can start kneading them with your hands. Now take the dough out of the bowl and roll it out to a 1/4 inch thickness. You can use a roller for this, but if you don't, you can just get creative as I did and use a bottle of wine or a flat surface. You can also do this with your hands, whatever makes you more comfortable. Then cut out small circles in the dough. After arranging them on a tray, bake for 8 minutes. It's time for my favorite part. Spread some of the dulce de leche into the cookies and add coconut flakes to it. Then, close it with another cookie and add some more coconut flakes. Repeat this process until all of your cookies become alfajores, and enjoy! I'm leaving a list of the ingredients at the end of the video for your convenience. If you did like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and show some love. Thank you!